these. So I kind of like these stems. I just put them in this vase so I can see what they look like. I kind of like them. They look close up. Let's see. I might get them. Bring them back if I don't like them. Hi, Kennedy. Okay. Okay.
Skeleton or two from my haunted house. Yours looks just about right. Your host is not here right now. They're busy building something in the backyard. But we'll have loads of fun while they're
On YouTube.
Oh my God. Halloween already. That one is creepy.
I have to come really every
That one is extra creepy.
I'm on his wig.
We finally made it home. Ran around all day today. Went to Hobby Lobby. We went to Target. And we went to the Halloween store where my daughter wanted to go to. So we went to those places. I did finally pick up what I wanted to in Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to show it to you right now. So remember I said I wanted to pick up more of these stems. I picked up a few more. And got about 5. I don't think I need 5 in the vase actually. These were so cute. I picked up these from Hobby Lobby. Little pumpkins. So I'm gonna do something decorative in my bowls, and I'm gonna add a few of these little pumpkins. That's the extent of the amount of pumpkins I'm gonna buy this season or any other season. I bought these stems. My daughter hates them, but they're like a green mossy color, but I like them. I just wanted something different. I just didn't want the, you know, the regular stems. So these are, let me see if I could get it to focus on here. There they go. Look how pretty they are. Now, I'm not gonna know how much I like these yet until I put them in a vase and style them. But these were half price. Today, I wanted to get to Hobby Lobby today because today is the last day for their 50% off. And these were, there you go. These were $11.99. I think it was focusing more on the vase. So these were half price, and so were the pumpkins. Now these, I got these acorns at Target. They were in the dollar section, and these were $3 at Target. So got those. Also gonna go in the vase that I'm gonna style. So those are the things that I bought. We did get a couple of things in Target as far as a little bit of, you know, like cereal and stuff like that. So this is the actual bowl that I'm gonna style with the with those little pumpkins and the acorns, and I have something else too that I'm gonna style with it. And I'm also going to style this bowl. I'm gonna take this out and see if we can do a nice style on there. So this is what my counters look like right now. I do have those pottery barn stems in there, and a candle right here, which is my absolutely favorite. This is the white tea and sage. I don't know why they don't sell this one in a bigger candle. It only comes in this small candle. So that's about it. We're gonna get to styling tomorrow. Today is Saturday, so Sunday we're gonna get to styling and see how everything looks. We did get a couple of things from Target. We got some cereal. I got these acorns from the dollar section. Acorns. Focus. Focus!
Can you stop screaming?
My battery's going dead, so maybe that's why it doesn't even want to. What else we got, Kennedy? Got some chips. Just a few things. And
Cereal.
some milk and cereal. That's about
My
it.
coffee.
And that's all we got.
This is an advertisement for
No, it's not.
Starbucks. Starbucks, please sponsor me. I drink this mostly every day. Please sponsor me.
Okay. Please sponsor her. Anyway, that's about it.
And please see
See y'all
this, 'cause
tomorrow.
please see this.
It is Saturday. It is a gloomy, rainy day. We are headed out to cheer practice, and that's about it. When we come back, we're gonna start styling, but it is rainy and gloomy. Let me show you. That is what it's looking like out there today. I can't really see it, but usually there's a whole bunch of sun coming through, but it is gloomy in here. Yep, that's how it's looking. Kennedy is ready to go.
I don't want to practice at all today. I want
Huh?
to sleep. Said I don't want to practice at all today. I want to
Yes.
stay asleep.
Oh, well. Let's get ready. And of course you have your Starbucks.
Sponsor me again.
Okay, we'll see y'all later. Hey y'all, so we are finally back home, and the plan is I'm going to style the coffee table. I'm also going to style some of the vases that I have with some of the stems that I showed you yesterday. Today is Sunday, and that's about it. So we're gonna get to it. Is busy eating her crabs. You want to say hi to the vlog? Say hi to the people after you made your big announcement for Starbucks.
I'm still waiting for them to sponsor me.
Yeah, so she's eating her crabs, and Papa. Hey, Pap. Hey, Papa Wappa. Say hi, Pap. Say hi, Papa. Say hi, Papa. Yeah. This is Papa. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Remember I showed you guys these stems right here? So I put them in this vase. I didn't take the tag off, of course. The tag is still on there because I'm just looking at it to see if I like it. I don't know if I like it there, but I do like the style. I do like the stem itself. So not sure if I'm going to leave it there. Well, I know I'm not going to leave it there right now. I'm going to put the other stems there, and but I like them. What do y'all think? Comment below, let me know what you think about these stems, because I was pretty iffy about them in the store.
Me too.
So I did say I wanted to add some more stems to this vase, and I do have a couple more. I think I'm only going to add about maybe 3. There's about 3 in here. I don't have any paper in there. You usually put paper, but I think maybe 2 or 3 should do it. So that's 2 more. I think maybe 1 more. Let's see. I think it can take the whole 5. What y'all think? Let's see, because there's only 2 more left. I think it's so pretty. So, let's see. So that's basically it for that. Bring it back a little bit so you can see how it looks. Let's bring it back a bit. So, yep. So those are those stems for that. Show you how I styled my coffee table for the, well, it's been like this. The only thing I did was change out the stems in the vase, but I'm going to show you how I styled it and let you know all the stuff that's on there. So I mostly style the coffee table with most of my favorite books. I have a lot of books on here. I have Living in Style in Paris. I have this vintage industrial book. Of course, the Chanel and the Tom Ford book I have on here. And what I did, I put 3 of these stems in this vase. And this vase I got from Marshall's. It's one of my favorite vases from Marshall's. It's really nice, really substantial, nice weight. But I only put about 3 stems in here. Took out the greenery and added the stems. Those are the 3 candles that I had. I got those from Crate and Barrel. So I also added the same florals, the same stems to this vase right here. So I have it in the coffee table. I have 4 in this vase. And like I explained before, I do want to get a smaller vase for right here. But I'm not going to get it for another few months. So that's going to do. So we're going to get to styling this bowl. We're going to put some stuff in the bowl. I found this in the basement, and I realized that it is Christmassy, but I think I can get away with it by putting some at the bottom of the bowl, putting some greenery, and then putting some little bit of acorns and some pumpkins. Let's see how it's going to turn out. Okay, so let me grab the bowl. So this is the bowl that we're going to style. Yep. And so I was thinking, let me get the scissors. So these are the little pumpkins. And this is what I had downstairs. This was from the gallery from a couple of years ago. But we're going to put some of this in there because we're going to be transitioning to Christmas very soon. Then all I have to do is remove the pumpkins and maybe the greenery. So I'm going to add a little bit of, you know, this stuff that you get in packages. I'm going to add a little bit of that to the bottom of the bowl. Let me cut some off. So save those things because you can use them for, you know, putting in your, I put it basically in this hole right here, so extra stuff won't go down there, okay? So, and this smells so good. So we're going to add some of this in here. And it already has like these gold balls. It also has gold acorns. And I'm also going to add some of this greenery. Should I add the greenery? Maybe not. Let's just add some of these acorns right here. Let's add some more acorns. the traditional acorns. We're gonna add those in there. Traditional acorns. Like that. And I guess this can just take the whole bag. Oh, that's stuck. I'm gonna mix it up a bit. So it's gonna look like that. And then we're gonna add some of the pumpkins in there. A couple pumpkins in there. We'll just do the white ones in here. So, all right. And add those. Those pumpkins are super cute. So that is the fall. There you go. Show those pumpkins. And that's how it looks. I think it looks so cute. I'm gonna put it on the counter, not the counter, on the side table. I'm gonna give you a closer look of how it's going to look. So let me get the other bowl. So this is the Mackenzie Child Bowl, and it's much deeper, so I'm gonna add some more of this because I'm gonna use the whole bag in this. So we're gonna go ahead and add the rest of these. And like I said, when we transition to Christmas, we can just add some more, I guess. And we're gonna add the acorns. Might not have enough acorns. This is a deep bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and add the acorns on here. Did the acorn fall? Before Peppa chew it up. We're gonna add the acorns. I think I need more acorns. Might go pick up another bag to hide the plastic. And also you can use some of your scented oils, and you can drop it on the acorns and stuff, the potpourri, to get it smelling good. And since this is black and white, I'm gonna add these black and white pumpkins. Okay, can I finish what I'm doing? I'm gonna add these black and white pumpkins on here. And those are our fall bowls. And I'm going to give you a closer look in a second. I'm trying to strategically add these pumpkins. And that's how that one looks. So ladies and gentlemen, that'll be it for today. I have to go wash my hair and get ready for the work week. But comment below, let me know what you like, what you don't like. And see you again on Wednesday. Thank you. See y'all later. Bye.
He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like a. He does whatever what it feels for nobody but himself. No.